The ladies were protesting about having American missiles on English soil.
Mm-hmm.
And it was a peaceful protest. All they were doing were camping outside the perimeter of the American base. There was no violence, no swearing, no shouting. It was a peaceful protest. And it was found that from the American base, the ladies were being microwaved, and it was actually measured. They were being microwaved to make them sick. And in fact, when the figures came out, there was a disproportionate amount of tumours, personality changes, suicidal tendencies of the ladies. They were deliberately microwaved by the Americans for protesting about their base. With one pulse frequency, you can just make people so suicidal, they can't be bothered to act like a demonstrator anymore. All they want to do is sleep or lay in bed all day. So if you're targeting demonstrators, you make them suicidally depressed, and they don't care about demonstrating anymore because they're too upset. Whereas if you want to cause a specific psychiatric illness, you would have an infrared device that followed the person, and you would link it to a pencil-thin microwave source, so the microwave beam would always target a specific gland or a specific part of the brain or an eye or a heart. So you would have them being targeted. They can cause insanity, and it was an experiment. One of the experiments was to take an ordinary sane person, cause insanity, and have a psychiatrist who was unknown to everybody diagnose schizophrenia or paranoia or a psychiatric illness.
Right.
That was a successful outcome, and the person would spend the rest of their life in an asylum in misery, but to the government scientists that was a success.
Well, it's a guinea pig locked up.
Oh yeah. I mean, humans, the difference between humans are like guinea pigs. If they want to experiment on you, by the thousands they will, and you can be driven to insanity and death, and you just become a tick in a box.
Right.
Without any so much as a feeling. Yeah, and this is what they do, and this is why they are above the law.